Hello and namaste to everybody. I hope you guys are doing well. So it's been a few weeks since I've been in France and a nice routine has been set for my training because wherever you go, whatever you do, the training never stops. So I'm going out for a short run today. So I thought I will show you guys around the route that I usually take. It's a beautiful route. So Ada will be joining us, who's wearing her Vibram 5-finger shoes. And Dara will be joining us. She's been my favorite running partner so far. So let's go. What's happening? 5-finger shoes. Not easy to wear, huh?
They don't go in the correct place. I have two here. Darling.
Yes. You have it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, you have it. Congratulations. All set now? Let's go. Let's go. Tara. Let's go. Go. Yes. We're gonna wear this for Dara. So we don't have to hold her by the hands. She will be tied to the waist. She's waiting for us to open the door. Open the door. Dara, what are you doing? Why can't you run properly?
Muscle fever.
Well, yesterday I ran 21 kilometers and 2 days ago, both of us ran 11 kilometers. So both of us have some soreness in our muscles. So that's why today's run was important. Recovery happens better when you are active. So if you do a long run or a long hike, it's good to go for a walk or a short run after that. And now she needs to shit. And here is the trail I always run on. It's very beautiful. Release the monster. There's a dog there. I have to be a little careful around dogs with Dara.
Beautiful.
Yeah, we came from down there. We'll cross this bridge and go on the other side. Clécy is where we did the hike, 35 kilometers on the cycle. Not that far, huh? Yeah, you go from where we came. So we are running on a cycling trail right now. And those of you who saw my last vlog, I told you that there's a separate route for cycling. So we can run also on that. And it goes through some of the most beautiful landscapes in the town. There are many such small trails inside which are amazing. So just gonna explore this one today, what's there ahead. And it's always better to run on mud than on concrete roads. Better for your joints. We just turned around from that gate because it was exact 2.5 kilometers and today I don't want to do anything more than 5. That's enough for a good recovery of your legs. It's like no matter how cold the weather is, once your body becomes active and warms up beyond a certain point, you start feeling hot. And people ask me, how do you stay warm on mountains like Everest or Annapurna? Well, I'll tell you, even if it is minus 50 degrees outside, when you're walking wearing that down suit, you are sweating inside. And that is why above 7,000 meters, you need to keep walking. If you sit, you get cold. It takes a long time again for your body to warm up. So that is how we stay warm. Let it keep walking. There's nothing like rest when you're climbing. You rest while walking. And then there are beautiful places like these made here to sit. Winter is not the kind of weather you can sit out in the open here, but summer you can come out here with the friends, with some beers. Beer. I need to cut this. But yes, you can come out here and have a good time.
Why did you say beer?
People will be like, you drink beer? You climb mountains? How do you drink beer? They see that, but they don't see the training I do. So here we are at the start of the trail. Only 200 meters more left to go for a 5 kilometer. Okay. We just got done with 5 kilometers in I think 38 minutes. Nice and easy run. And when the run is over, it is very important that you cool down by walking for at least 300-400 meters. If you just stop and sit after running, it's not good. Your body will be very warm. And she's trying to come on me. Okay. So yeah. So we'll walk. I think it's around 300 meters to our home. And then yeah, the run is done. The legs feel much better now, much less sore because of the half marathon yesterday. The weather is like it might rain. Luckily it did not rain when we were running, but you know, it's like in Normandy in winters, rain is a very common thing. I've seen people here running out in rains, and even the trail that we did 11 kilometers 3 days ago was raining and it was night time, cold, freezing, but there were so many people out there. No excuses, right? You know, it's like if I do a 5 kilometer run in Mumbai, I feel tired after that, okay? But if I do a 21 kilometer run here like I did yesterday, I was not tired at all. And it makes you understand how much fresh air and good temperature is important while you are doing some physical exercise, and also for life in general. If it's good air and a pleasant climate, it's amazing. So here we are home. Well, for good recovery, you need some protein because that's the nutrient which recovers your muscles and fibers. For me, it's always been Exofit. It's worked wonderfully for me. Well, okay, so I guess there's nothing much to show. So let's end this vlog here. We'll do a little stretching now. So until next video, take care and you have a good evening, good morning, good afternoon, good night, wherever you are, whenever you are watching this. Jai Hind and Jai Maharashtra. It says amazing to say Jai Hind and Jai Maharashtra in France. So yes, thank you.